From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome, viewers. The Republic Media Network has carried out a sensational sting operation on Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man. And first, let me say this, we were compelled to carry out the sting operation because these people never speak the truth when the cameras are rolling and they know it. But when they think the cameras are not rolling, that's when they begin to reveal a lot. And I believe it is my responsibility to bring you the truth, the undiluted version, and so we carried out the sting operation. Now, the man we have stung is the person who planned the Hathras operation for Priyanka Vadra. This his name is Shivraj Jeevan. Yes, viewers, that's a clip of the sting operation. He's a top Congress leader who has held Minister of State charge in the central government when the Congress was in power, and has held the powerful position of All India Congress Committee Secretary at a national level. He's a right-hand man of Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and very, very close to Priyanka Vadra. So first, let me make it clear, this man we have stung is not an upstart, not a greenhorn, not a sidekick. He is a man who is part of the inner coterie of the Vadra court. Now, what is there in the sting operation? Let me tell you about that. In the sting operation, this man, this top Congress leader, says that he instigated the situation in Hathras and said that he's fully charged up and geared up now for a riot, a caste riot. He says in Hindi, "Bahut kaat diye jayenge." Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man says, "Bahut kaat diye jayenge, bahut maar diye jayenge," which means many people will be slaughtered and many people will be killed. Particularly, he says the killings will happen in the cities. Because he says in villages they can be caught, but in cities they can hide. Then he further admits in the sting operation that he carried out violence after getting a call from Delhi, and further says that if he's offered some money, resources and weapons, then he can carry out a riot in which he says in his words, "Bahut goliyan chalengi," bullets will be fired. Idhar ke do log marenge, idhar ke do log marenge. In other words, people will be killed on both sides. And then he further says, jab log marenge, jab idhar ke log marenge, udhar ke log marenge, neta bhi marenge, then Rahul Gandhi will come. Which means he says when people are killed on both sides, then Rahul Gandhi will land up. Viewers, so that we understand the entirety of this expose, this man's admissions on tape include the use of social media to create riots, and the use of riots for political gains. In the sting operation, he also says that the Vadra Congress, which did not have any issue to latch on to, he says Hathras has now become that one issue which the Congress party is getting ready to capitalize on. कहते हैं वो भुनाएगी, which means they will now use this, capitalize on this. Viewers of The Debate, you can ask, why have I given such a long introduction of what is in that tape? Well, I have done so to unmask rioting, immoral politicians, cheap riot professionals, and the third grade media, the sold out, cannibalistic, unethical media, who are partners in crime to the execution of this sickening plot, where the murder of a 19-year-old girl in unexplained circumstances becomes an opportunity for these people to kill thousands of people to achieve a political goal of gaining relevance. Viewers, these losers are now being completely exposed by the Republic Media Network. Confronted by the Republic Media Network. They will be punished under the rule of law. So today, Operation Danga should be a wake-up call for all those people who look away. So viewers, I'm speaking to you. If there are any of you, two things we must not do. One, get swayed by fake news on social media. Can you imagine what a big fake news story Hathras was? The way it was presented to you? Can you imagine how many unsuspecting minds, maybe among you, got influenced by the force of the fake news? Can you imagine how irresponsible those social media portals are, which allowed such fake news about Hathras to be spread with virality? And do you now understand, viewers, why I took time to report on Hathras? If you notice, I took 1 or 2 days to start my investigation. When we found our facts, we investigated, and now we are exposing they're all running away. But that's not what I want to tell you. If there are many among you who look away when an incident like that happens, so just put out a tweet or a casual comment or come to a conclusion. You may be doing so thinking that an incident in a Uttar Pradesh village will not impact you. That is a mistake we must not make, viewers. We must tell our families, our loved ones, our children, our brothers and sisters, our parents, that the time has come in this country never to believe that a lie like this will not impact you. It will impact you. It will impact people around you. It will impact our families, our communities, our societies, the regions we stay in, but most importantly, it will impact our country. So please don't look away. Let me tell you, viewers, conspiracies are so deep that none of us will remain untouched unless we come together to break the pillars on which such bloody plans are made. And that is why I thought I'll start with a long instruction video. Debate number 1 this evening, the Operation Danga, which the whole country is talking about today, the truth about Hathras coming out, debate number 1. And debate number 2 this evening at 10 o'clock this evening was SSR's report fudged. Now, there are such revelations about Sudhir Gupta, such inside details which have come out about this man, about the positions he took, the messages he gave, the communications he had, that it seems impossible to believe his report is anything but fudged. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines. Oh, yes, we have a debate number 3 tonight. Can't forget about this one, viewers. The Supreme Court said that Shaheen Bagh, the way it was executed, was completely illegal. The Shaheen Bagh Brigade, like the Riya Chakrabarti Brigade, have gone into hiding over this one. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the Debate Tonight.
पूर्णिया चाहेंगे तो पूर्णिया अच्छा अच्छा गोलियां चली
When bullets will be fired, when people will die, when blood will be shed, then Rahul Gandhi will come. Exclusive and explosive. Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man confesses to the Hathras riot conspiracy on the Republic Network sting cameras. The ultimate proof is on tape tonight. The Vadra Congress was plotting a bloodbath over the Hathras case.
कोई कह रहा फलानी जगह हम दंगा कराएंगे जाति के आधार पर, हमारे नेता आएंगे उसके बाद जाकर के राजनीति करेंगे। यानी एक गरीब की लाश पर राजनीति करने वाले इन चेहरों को पहचानिए तो।
Yogi government acts on Operation Danga sting. Congress conspirator faces arrest.
When I sent him these photographs which were taken by the sister, he immediately commented that it is death, it is by strangulation, and it cannot be said to be death by hanging.
More evidence emerges about the controversial Sudhir Gupta, the Dr. Sudhir Gupta. Series of revelations and exposés by the Sushant family lawyer raises serious questions on Dr. Sudhir Gupta and his controversial report in the Sushant case. CBI team is back in Mumbai for the investigation. Will they investigate the fudged report of the AIIMS forensic head? And Shaheen Bagh backers are left red-faced as the Supreme Court slams the road blockade in the national capital. And ladies and gentlemen, the Vadra Congress under the leadership of Rahul and Priyanka Vadra wanted large-scale violence, organized caste riots in Uttar Pradesh over Hathras. They had given the responsibility to their close aide, Shivraj Jeevan, who was executing the riot plot. We heard about it on Republic and we investigated the story. we decided to carry out a sting operation. The evidence is today on the Republic Network's SIT's sting tapes. Watch this, how the Congress wanted all of this country to burn. Let's think about this, and then we debate.
Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra have been desperate to exploit the caste divide in Uttar Pradesh, working overtime to somehow prey and politically profiteer over a tragedy. Today, Republic Media Network shreds apart the Hathras conspiracy and lays it bare.
शिवराज जीवन वाल्मीकि जो हाथरस और अलीगढ़ में कांग्रेस की दलित राजनीति का सबसे बड़ा चेहरा है, उसने कैसे कांग्रेस को यहां जिंदा करने के लिए एक मुद्दा दिया और उस मुद्दे को कांग्रेस ने ना सिर्फ लपका बल्कि उसको भुनाने के लिए अपने स्तर से लगातार गिरती चली गई। हम जो खुलासा करने जा रहे हैं वो बेहद चौंकाने वाला है।
Meet Shivraj Jeevan Valmiki. He's an influential Congress leader, Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh. After speaking to multiple sources on ground and following detailed leads on the conspiracy, Republic Media Network's Amit Chaudhary tracks Vadra's Congress main man in Aligarh. Bragging about how Vadra Congress is ready for riots in Hathras, this man speaks of engineering one as though it is almost a compulsion on him.
गंगा को कोई रोक नहीं पाएगा, तो स्थिति बनती जा रही है। क्योंकि अब ये वाल्मीकि समाजी मार्शल को हम लोगों को आप गाँव में मार सकते हो, क्योंकि 2 मकान है, 4 मकान है, वहाँ लगा सकते हो, गाँव में लगा के रहते काम करते PSC भी गिर सकती है, सब गिर सकती है। कहते दिखा दे दिया, गिरते तो दिखा दे दिए, कहते दिखा दे सारे जो अपने को सोचते हैं बहुत काट दिए जाएंगे, मार दिए, क्योंकि हम शहर में बहुत बड़ी संख्या में हैं।
तैयारी है पूरी, तैयारी पूरी है,
पूरी जबरदस्त है, और उसके लिए हम पूरी तरीके से लगे हुए हैं।
When Amit probed him a little more, Rahul Gandhi's man on the ground boasted about pressurizing the victim's family and sparking caste tension.
और ये लोग केस को जो दब गया, क्या हो गया था?
दब गया था।
ठीक है, मैं भी इसमें 4 दिन बाद रहा था, वो परिवार बिल्कुल हताश हो चुका था, टूट चुका था, और हर तरीके से कंट्रोवर्स करने के लिए लगभग तैयार। जब मुझको पता चला तो मैं गया कुछ परिवार से बोलने लगा, देखा, देखने के बाद अगर कोई व्यक्ति देखेगा तो वो बर्दाश्त नहीं करता, मैं कुछ खारिज का अगर कास्ट में देखता है तो इस प्रदेश बच्चे के केस में कोई बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता, मैं उग्र रूप लेती।
7 days ago, the victim was cremated in the middle of the night. Vandalism was reported in several parts. Rahul's stung comrade in Hathras claims ownership on it.
हमारे यहाँ संस्कार ये है कि कुआरी बच्ची हुई है, बच्चे माता को कुछ रीति रिवाज होते हैं, उसको हिंदू चंदा लगाना, जिस दिन जो भी हिंदू का माता पिता के दर्शन करा देना, उसके बाद उसका 11 बजे लगा दो उसमें, है सर, 11:30 बजे भी नहीं लगा सकते, आप 12 बजे तो सवारी कर रहे हैं, वो भी भाषा कर रहे हैं।
तो आप लोगों ने मना नहीं किया? आप लोग
जी गिरफ्तार किया ना उस दिन।
अच्छा,
अरे बब्बर शेर बैठा नहीं करता जिले का, देश का। मुझे उस दिन 29 तारीख को जब जा रहा था, 29 को जब पता चला तो हजारों लोगों को लेकर हमने धरना दिया, बहुत जबरदस्त तरीके से, तोड़ भी की, इनका मेरे खिलाफ मुकदमे दर्ज किए कच्चा रंगे के अंदर। तो उसके बाद हमको रात को टेलीफोन आया दिल्ली से, दिल्ली में जितने लोग बैठे थे ना, उसको हमारे जो साथी हैं, राष्ट्रीय सचिव राम ना।
हाथरस और अलीगढ़ में दंगे कराने के लिए सोशल मीडिया का इस्तेमाल होने लगा, भड़काऊ पोस्ट लगातार शेयर होने लगी और लोग हाथरस में जुटने लगे। एंटी सीएए प्रोटेस्ट के तर्ज पर ही पूरे देश में इस आग को फैलाने की तैयारी हो रही थी। अब ईडी ये जांच कर रही है कि इसके लिए फंडिंग कहां से हुई, दंगों के लिए फंडिंग कौन कर रहा था।
फिर मैंने फिर तो यहीं से एक संदेश दिया भारत के लोगों को, क्योंकि तमाम फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप इन सब पे ट्विटर पे हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, हजारों की संख्या में मेरे लोग फॉलोवर हैं, तो मैंने उनको संदेश दिया, उससे गर्मी आई उनके अंदर। उसके बाद उन वाल्मीकि उस गाँव में गया, उसकी हालत जब देखी, कोरोना में हालत, सारी बहन बेटियाँ चीख रही थी, पुकार रही थी, बहुत तड़प रही थी, बहुत रो रही थी, और कोई भी होता उसको भी गुस्सा, मैंने गुस्से में ऐलान किया, नंदीधारी माता दरिंदर स्वरूप नाम स्वराज जितने आम जितने भी वाल्मीकि समाज की बेटी की तरफ उठाए उसकी नाम को देखी, चाहे वो दरिंदर ठाकुर हो या कोई भी हो, उसको छोड़ उन्होंने हाथ काट दूंगा, उसका असर बहुत बड़ा पड़ा। और मैंने एक और ऐलान किया उसके अंदर कि जो वाल्मीकि समाज का खून सफेद हो गया, ये जो आप कह रहे हो स्थिति में शुरू, वाल्मीकि समाज का सफेद खून हो गया, जो फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप पर शेयर हो बस हो गए, तो वाल्मीकि बिंद से पैदा हो तो तक तुम सड़कों पर नहीं आओ, काम नहीं सकता। और ये बुढ़े को देखो, 67 साल का बुढ़ा ध्यान कर रहा है, उससे क्या होगा, क्रांति पैदा होगा। और आजकल लोगों को उससे जुड़े हैं, ये क्रांति ऐसी पैदा हुई कि मुझे खुशी है कि भारत के अंदर लोग सड़कों पर निकले और उस सड़कों पर निकल जाए, और उसका ये लगातार हम लोग जुड़ते चले गए, काफिले में कम जुड़ते चले गए, और ऐसी स्थिति पैदा हुई कि हमारे आदरणीय राहुल जी और आर्मी का जो प्रमुख है वो भी, सब लोग सक्रिय होते हैं, कारण
मैं यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा दे दिया पार्टी को, पार्टी को जिंदा करता है।
उन्होंने जो है इसको बनाने का प्रयास किया, बनाया गया। अब स्थिति यह है कि ये सब छत्री मेरे ज्ञान के दुश्मन हो रहा है। छत्री लोग क्या है, ये अब मीटिंग में मीटिंग कर रहा है, सब स्वराज जीवन में कभी इसके वीडियो देखिए आप, इन लोगों के जो 36 लाख के यंग लड़के उनका स्वराज जीवन मार छोड़ेंगे नहीं, इस तरीके का लगातार ये लोग, इससे क्या हुआ है, समाज और एक क्या हो रहा है, समाज में गुस्सा है। सारे लोगों ने मेरे पुतले फूके हैं,
क्या किया,
पुतले फूके हैं,
अच्छा,
समाज के लोगों ने कल मेरा पुतला फूका, तो उसको बहुत गुस्सा है। 4-5 जगह तो पुतले फूक दिए हैं लोगों ने, एक जगह 4 जगह पुतला फूकेगा। तो इस तरीके से धीरे धीरे लोगों में बढ़ता चला है। इधर मैंने सब साथी लगा दिए हैं, तो वहाँ जाओ, इसी उद्देश्य में हम लगे हैं। जब ये लोग निकलते हैं तो इनके तरफ से उनको भयंकर होगा संघर्ष, सो कोई नहीं रोक सकता, और पूरी संघर्ष होगा।
The Vadra congressman on the ground assures that the riot in Hathras will be engineered. He goes into specific detail about casualties, puts a price tag to the execution of the conspiracy, even vouches that Rahul Gandhi will paradrop after the bullets are fired.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ और, पैसा और मैं दे सकता हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। क्या आपके ये जो राष्ट्रीय लीडर हैं ये लोग आ सकते हैं?
आ सकते हैं।
कौन कौन आ सकता है, किस किस को बुला सकते हैं?
ये दुनिया आ सकता है, मतलब वॉशमें आ सकता है, लेकिन राउत हमारा दोस्त करवा सकता है, उसके बिना का चेयरमैन भी कांग्रेस के लीडर्स को मिला सकते हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी के हम अखिलेश यादव को मिला सकते हैं।
ले आइएगा, अखिलेश यादव आ जाएंगे,
अखिलेश यादव आ जाएगा, जल्दी आ जाएगा। कल हमारी बात हुई थी समाजवादी पार्टी,
तो पैसे की आप फिक्र मत करिए, आप अखिलेश यादव को लेके आइए, और आप राहुल गांधी को एक बार और
राहुल जी तो
जब पूर्णिया चाहेंगे तो पूर्णिया
चले।
अच्छा, बोलिए, चलिए।
क्या कह रहे हैं आप? हमने संभाला कोई लीडर है या आम व्यक्ति से, ये हमने संभाला जाए, तमाम लोगों को ज़्यादा तो बताइए, तो उसके लिए भी सारी चीज़ों की जरूरत, सब चीज़ जरूरत है, हर तरीके की जरूरत पड़ती है।
तो वेपन चाहिए आपको?
वेपन भी सब चीज़ चाहिए, हर तरीके का मदद चाहिए। अगर आप यार मैं आपको सुनने का
आर्थिक पैसा
और क्या,
गाड़ी वगैरह कुछ और,
तो वो बात की बात है, फिर अपने तरीके से सेटिंग करते हैं।
कितना पैसा मैं आपको दूँगा? 5-6 खुल के बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं। 5-6 लाख 5-6 करोड़ 5-6 लाख रुपये
हाथ में जाकर ट्रेनिंग की जाए उनको लोगों को और ड्रेस दिया जाए, कुछ आगरा में किया जा रहा है, कितना दिन चलेगा गरीब क्या है, लेकिन खून पीने वाले जो उससे खतरा था, तो ये सोचता है कि हमारे लिए ये चाहे कोई क्यों।
The Hathras story is played to a script written by top political masters. It's a stale script written and executed by the Vadra Congress. And today, unraveled by one of its own on camera. A Republic SIT investigation by Amit Chaudhary.
And I'm opening the debate between the Congress and the BJP tonight. Nupur and Kirip Chalia, Smita, MR, Raghav, Savio, Syed Aslam, Anirban, Manaswi and Suneet. I have been overwhelmed with reactions to the sting operation. People are shocked. Some people find it unbelievable. Then they say, is he actually a Congress leader? I say he's not just a Congress leader. He's a very close to Sonia Gandhi. Here it is, viewers. I've got a black and white picture. This man sits next to Sonia Gandhi in public events. Nupur, this is how important it is. He is. When Sonia is president at every public event, he sits next to Sonia Gandhi. He's the first person to greet Sonia Gandhi when she reaches places. And now he works very closely with the Vadras. So yeah, I said he's no upstart or greenhorn. Kirip Chalia, your response to the following comment. बहुत लोग काट दिए जाएंगे, बहुत लोग मार दिए जाएंगे, दंगे की पूरी तैयारी है. In other words, translation, many people will be slaughtered, many people will be killed. We are gearing up for riots. I have nothing to ask you anymore. Can you just explain, or if you have anything to say, stop serving Congress leader, former AICC National Secretary in charge of the state of Maharashtra, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi's right-hand man, the man who executed all this, please.
Now, if you'll allow me to have my say, then I would like to make a few observations. But if you want me to interpret it according to your interpretation, it will be difficult for me to say. So I hope you'll give me a chance to raise at least three or four observations. I mean, I have to waste time because I seek your protection. Not to be interpreted by your,
You are wasting time. Come to the point. The BJP spokesperson is on the other side. I'm giving you the first shot. So why don't you make your point instead of going on and on about whether you'll be allowed to speak?
First of all, Mr. Arnab Goswami, I take strong exception to your describing the Indian National Congress as Vadra Congress. Arnab TV is not, Republic TV is not Arnab TV. Anyway, it has been converted into Arnab TV. Number one, I take strong exception to that. Secondly, it was not a confession by somebody, it was a sting operation done by Republic TV to frame somebody, a person whose own community, one girl had been reportedly murdered, and he must have said something which is a matter of dispute. Whether it is a sting operation, whether it is a
what is in dispute?
The record is true or not.
He has admitted it.
If it is
an FIR against him today.
If it is a criminal act, then law will take its own course. Now you don't try to humiliate and insult a Dalit person all the time.
Ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. There is no explanation right now. Kirip Chalia, I gave you the first shot. Nupur is responding to you. I repeat, so we understand the gravity of the comments made.
However much you try,
Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Stop shouting.
Will you let me finish?
Can we show shots of the sting operation?
Whatever shoutings you do, you cannot denigrate and do anything, any harm to Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka in this issue. Because the whole country stands by them.
The only person trying to do any harm is this gentleman.
And held them for the courage they have shown in exposing government people like you who have been exploiting the lower classes They've been killing them.
I have to respond to him, Arnab.
For
Let him
years.
finish and let me know when to
You
give me my cue. I want to make a very important point.
You avatar.
Sir, can I speak now?
Nupur.
You know, Arnab, I want to
What did I
start
do?
by thanking you.
Don't be Sharma.
I want to
Don't be
start by
Sharma.
thanking
Don't
you.
be Sharma.
You have
Be Dalit.
Please,
Be Dalit.
please.
Stop doing your
What are you
caste.
saying,
What
sir?
don't you mean? Don't be Sharma,
Why-
be
why-
Dalit. Don't
What do you-
give me
what do you
this.
mean by that?
Don't give me a casteist lingo on my program.
Yes. Yes.
Don't give me
What
a
is your
casteist
position
lingo on
of
this
caste
program.
politics on this show?
And a no attitude.
No, the
No.
only person doing
Not at this
casteist
time.
politics is
Not
you.
when a girl has been
I'm
killed.
not bringing in
Not
my
when
caste.
Dalits have been
Nor am
killed
I
like
making
this.
a casteist comment. I think you should be put under SC/ST. Why are you bringing in casteist politics on this show?
You all had been
No,
casteist
you've done it on
for
your own
quite a
volition.
long time.
Arnab, I want to
Exploiting
request you to
everybody,
please give me a
treating
copy
all
of this
lower
show.
caste people
This
as-
man
as
needs to be
somebody-
put under
somebody
SC/ST
who is
Act.
not- who can be
Now I want to make my
denigrated,
point. I
who
don't
can
want
be-
I repeat, I repeat,
will
viewers.
Don't do that.
I repeat, viewers, I think it's in national interest to bring everyone to the issue at hand. First of all, before you come in, Nupur, I want to say one thing. No words were put in his mouth. He's a fully grown adult. B, if you notice in the sting operation, he's the one going on and on. If words were being put in his mouth, the reporter would be speaking more, he would be speaking less. Thirdly, he was saying that if you give me money and weapons, I'll carry out. Thirdly, fourthly,
Don't try to put petrol on fire. This is the game you have been playing everywhere.
pathetic. Nupur is responding now. We'll take the debate forward, viewers. Thank you for your initial response.
And now you are talking about...
Nupur.
I would like to thank you, Arnab, for bringing to fore and exposing what the Congress actually stands for. This person has previously been the national secretary. Do you understand? That's like the main executive parent of any political organization. Now, what is interesting is, Arnab, that what you have brought to the fore is actually a fact that everybody in India knows. This is the DNA of Congress party. Casteist politics and commonly divisive politics. That's the DNA of Congress party. Why do I say that? Do you not remember the 1984 anti-Sikh massacre? Do you not remember those people who put burning tires around the necks of our Sikh brethren actually went on to become CMs, chief ministers and union ministers? Do you not remember the Delhi, Gopalgarh or Bhagalpur riots? Or do you not even remember the latest Delhi riots wherein Sonia Gandhi said, "Aarya paar ki ladai hai," and one of the prime accused had been the State General Secretary of DPC, that's Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee. She's one of the prime accused, currently behind bars. And also, let's not forget, this very Congress party has a very bad track record of awarding anybody who's found guilty of any communal riots, of any casteist politics. For example, I want to remind you of Bholanath and Devendra Pandey, two miscreants who hijacked a plane, and were rewarded with assembly and parliamentary tickets. As recently as 6 years ago, Bholanath Pandey and Devendra Pandey, out of the psychophancy for Indira Gandhi, hijacked a plane, a domestic flight, and they were given assembly and Lok Sabha seats continuously for 3-4 terms. Can you imagine that?
Come back to the issue, Nupur. The issue, Nupur, is if I may bring both of you on track. The issue is and I repeat, the issue is that the Congress party was planning violent bloody caste riots in UP. No. The issue is. Viewers, if you can calm down and let me get the others 2 versus 2 on the debate. Everyone calm down. I've got to give everyone their turn. See, 1 minute. First of all, you're going to lose. Stop trying to burst your artery on my program. Kiripta, come on now. I don't expect this behavior from you.
Because you're a Brahmin.
I'm an Indian, damn it. I'm an Indian. Stop trying to put any of us into a caste bracket. Shame on you. Shame on you and your twisted mind. Now my question is to Syed Aslam and MR. Hum kaat denge, hum maar denge, and more than that, I repeat the words. मैंने तोड़ फोड़ किया. काट देंगे, मार देंगे. दिल्ली में मेरे साथी थे, talking about what happened after the CA incident. Then he says, बहुत देर तक दंगे चलेंगे. MR, बहुत दिनों तक दंगे चलेंगे. ये गरीब लोग हैं, which means exploitation of poor people. 1 minute. And then he says, गोली चलेगी. और मुझे ऐसे, he puts his both hands and he says, I need guns. This is Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man. I need more guns. Rahul Gandhi तब आएंगे जब गोलियां चलेंगी. 2 लोग उधर के मरेंगे, 2 लोग इधर के मरेंगे, चाहे नेता मर जाए या आम आदमी मर जाए. Look at the words. उसके बाद जब सब मरेंगे तब राहुल गांधी आएंगे. I'm not even going to ask a question. I'm only going to intervene in this debate with what is on the sting. MR first. MR then Aslam. MR then Aslam.
Okay, Arnab, let me.
Arnab, my name is sir. My name is MR. Your name? No. My name is MR. Your name is Aslam. So don't. No. It is all credible. Please wait. No. Please wait, sir. This is the problem with you guys, that you know that you only to heckle is the only way out. You can't have a sensible debate with these people, and that is the problem today we are having. Now, as far as this case is concerned, sir, FIR has been registered. FIR is registered, and he will go behind bars, and they will do it. And now listen to this. The point is, Arnab is not allowing to speak.
Okay, let him finish then, MR. Wait.
He's been cremated in the night illegally. The fact of the matter is,
but that is
one poor girl, one poor Dalit girl.
One minute. You must stop trying to. Aslam, let me tell you. Aslam, Syed, for God's sake, Syed, for God's sake, Syed. First of all, 2 things I'll tell you. Right? We must not refer to the girl. Okay? Whether or not in this particular case, whether or not it was a case of rape, gang rape, murder, or something else, you cannot take the name of the girl till this matter is settled. So that's decency. The bigger point is not that. The bigger point, MR, is using this incident to create a spark riot and then going and saying, I instigated people, I made those comments. Look at the way he talks. I made those comments. मैंने भड़काया, फिर लोगों ने मेरे पुतले जलाए, फिर मामला बड़ा हुआ, मैंने भड़काया, मैंने वहां पे मारपीट की. So it's absolutely evident that the last thing on the Congress party's mind is justice for the victim. It is pure and pure. How far can they stretch this in terms of caste politics and bloodshed?
And how much to milk it?
Yeah.
And how much to milk it?
How much to milk it?
Now, Mr. Aslam, now see what is happening is, now we people are trained to look into precuitors and secrets. Sir, Mr. Aslam, please keep quiet.
Now, Mr. Aslam, please, you had your say, Mr. Aslam. Many panelists have not spoken yet. Come on now, please.
No, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Listen to this. Now, we people are trained to look into precuitors and sequitors. Now, I am asking a question. If you have planned so much, to so much of a gory detail, that Goliyan chalegi, lashe giregi, when Rahul Gandhi will make his cameo appearance, I ask a question. Why wouldn't the girl be murdered for this sequitur to play out? Why wouldn't it be possible?
Anirban on the other side, please. Thank you. 1 minute. Anirban takes over from MR. MR makes the point, Anirban responds.
For political reasons. I want to know, because this doesn't shock us anything. Because anything is possible by the Congress. The Congress has got in its the blood of the people.
The Dalit community. This man
sir, you people have gone to this extent that you will murder a Brahmin or a Dalit or a Muslim or a Sikh if it suits you. The Congress is known with its DNA, has a gory track record of doing all these things. Right from Congress president.
You all get the point, Imran. The BJP has committed a blunder, a political blunder this time. They know Hathras is going to prove to be their Waterloo in Uttar Pradesh, and this man, probably we didn't know his name.
Why this planning was done?
Let's come to the moot point. Let's come to the moot point in this debate. Anirban, may I get Smita Prakash in on the debate along with Sunit Chopra? Please calm down, gentlemen, everyone. I'm trying to get everyone into the debate. And once again, I must emphasize before I give it to Smita, is bullets being fired and multiple people dying a pre-decided precursor for a Rahul Gandhi visit? Second, Congress party organizationally gearing up for a bloody riot. Very serious. A political party that is gearing up at an organizational level, not just at an individual level, for a bloody riot. Thirdly, Smita, you know the Congress party structure. Such a senior leader saying maar denge, kaat denge cannot be possible without the blessings or knowledge of the higher ups. That is my view. It cannot be happening in isolation with such confidence. Smita on the debate, please. Smita, I said Smita and Sunit Chopra, please. Thank you.
For the life of me, I can't understand why this man is free and why he's going to television channels and why television channels are inviting somebody to a debate where he's openly admitting to what he said. He has categorically said that not only is he willing to incite crime to an extent of inciting riots for a Dalit community, the repressed community, in the name of the repressed community. The UP police has filed 19 FIRs in connection with the Hathras case, and they relate to disturbing peace, sedition, conspiracy, promoting religious hatred. If that is the case, this man should be behind bars. Second, what I can't understand is why is the Congress leadership in the state and the center silent? Why have they not distanced themselves from this man? What should absolutely be stopped is any attempt to politicize this incident beyond what has already been done. Enough of the tamasha of political leaders going to that house in the pretense of hugging those people, speaking on behalf of the Dalits, but what they are doing is politicizing the issues. Everybody is well aware that Bihar elections from 28th to the 7th of November is going to be a staging ground for casteist politics. This should not degenerate into casteist politics in Bihar to be used from Uttar Pradesh into Bihar.
Can I comment?
Why did Mr. D. Raja have to go to the house out there in Hathras and instead of talking about the Dalit family, talk about Yogi? Why did Mr. Raja have to do that? Why did Mr. Raja have to talk about Yogi Adityanath?
The NCRB report says of 2019
he also
rapes happened. Why was the DM threatening
1 minute, I am talking about my sting operation. I will not move away from it for a minute. Manasvi and Raghav can debate this. Manasvi and Raghav can debate this. What if Manasvi and Raghav can debate this? May I intervene for a minute? Can I take a minute to intervene? Minute to intervene. 3 things have been established over the last few days. 3 things have been established in the last few days. First, this was clearly, Manasvi, I know my 3 things, you speak about your 2 things. How can your 2 things preempt my 3 things which I was speaking about? Be quiet. Raghav, first it was established that there were tapes which showed sections of the media and Congress party stooges were trying to trap, incite and mislead and provoke the family. Right? Second, it was proven that there were 104 phone calls between the accused and the deceased, the victim, right? Then it was clearly established that there was absolutely no proof of the rape or gang rape having happened, and the mother's versions did not speak about rape, but they spoke about strangulation. Thirdly, it got proven that the PFI, SDPI and various radicalized elements were involved in creating a riot. And now it has been proven that the top Congress leadership was part of the process of creating and preparing for a bloody riot, and have got the whole thing on tape, for God's sake, Manasvi. The entire thing, Raghav, why don't you tell him is on tape? I agree with Smita, the man should have been arrested a long time back. The man should have been arrested a long time back. What are you talking about?
He was threatening the victim's family, or he also never did anything.
Raghav!
The media house is not trying to follow this conspiracy theory also needs to be exposed,
Raghav!
The media house which employs one of your former colleagues, Mr. Rajdeep Sarvepalli. He is the one who has been accusing you of trying to do anything in order to get TRPs. Now you must expose his lies as well. His lies also have to be exposed.
Savio is also on the debate. Savio, this is clearly something bigger. This is clearly something much bigger. And I think we need to remain focused on the larger plot to burn the country. You know, Savio, a caste riot is a dangerous thing. You know they wanted to do it after Bhima Koregaon. You know that people would have been killed, more people would have been killed then. You know they've been trying this for the longest time. You create a situation, you create a riot, then you politicize it. Please, Manasvi, be careful. You are not going to be spared either if a riot like this spreads. Please, don't defend a riot. Don't defend a riot.
Arnab, I just want to make 3 points.
Yeah.
3 points. The first
Manasvi,
point is this man needs to be arrested immediately. Point number 2. No Congress leader makes such plans without the hierarchy and the high offices of Congress giving it an approval.
So
did Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi approve what the third most important point, if they did not, then why have they not condemned this man till now? They have not condemned this man. It only means that Congress is going to get back to its old tricks of riots across the country when innocent people will lose their lives over riots. Because that is Congress's tradition. That is Congress's tradition. On the altar of politics, they will sacrifice innocent people of India.
And they have been planning, and they have been planning for some time. If you remember, Nupur, the comment after CAA, when Sonia Gandhi went and said to Ramlila Maidan, "Ab hogi aar paar ki ladai." This is what she meant. This is what she meant.
Exactly.
Yes, this is exactly what I've been saying. Why did I in my initiative?
Nupur.
Aslam, allow me to come. Aslam, allow me to finish. Why do you think in my first comment I said that it's the DNA of Congress Party? Even the Godhra train carnage, the 12 people, out of the people accused, 12 were Congressis. Out of the 12, who are in can you imagine? ये दंगाई गुंडाई कांग्रेस के डीएनए आप हिस्ट्री उठा के देख लो. लेकिन ये जो आप चिल्ला रहे हैं ना, ये ग्रीन शर्ट जो चिल्ला रहे हैं बहुत, ये तब क्यों नहीं चिल्लाए जब एक दलित एमएलए बैंगलोर के अंदर कांग्रेस के एमएलए थे, उनका घर जला दिया गया. कहां थी आपकी सहानुभूति? राहुल गांधी ने आज तक एक कमेंट नहीं दिया. आप चुप क्यों बैठ गए? 2016 की एक खबर बताती हूँ. Do you know Rahul Gandhi was quiet when a Delhi Dalit leader by the name of Dharam Natkar, it's in the newspapers, accused Ajay Makar, former Union Minister Ajay Makar, of abusing him and ill-treating him. Delhi Congress leader Dharampal Natkar in 2016 accused former Union Minister of Congress Party Ajay Makar, high caste. आप caste खेल रहे हो ना? Ajay Makar is upper caste. He accused him of ill-treating him and abusing him. राहुल गांधी ने कुछ नहीं कहा. अपने दलित एमएलए का बैंगलोर में घर जल गया, राहुल गांधी ने कुछ नहीं कहा. ये क्रोकोडाइल टीयर्स है भाई. जब इनके प्रदेशों में इनकी पार्टी में गड़बड़ होती तो चुप्पी खा जाते हैं.
No, this is.
राजस्थान में दलित लड़कियों का चरित्र
This is. So let's come back to the moot issue.
लड़की का रेप होता है, चुप्पी खा जाते हैं.
The moot issue is incitement. The moot issue we need to come to now. The moot issue is incitement. The moot issue is that you do not believe that you can be successful. Moot issue now, MR, is incitement. You incite to gain. No, because you cannot win a normal election, you need to create a situation of chaos and then watch the fun, as it were. Smita wants to come in. Watch the fun, as it were, of a law and order situation cascading. You are not worried about the implications of this because somebody else's children will be killed. You will go back, you will go and do your vulturism, you will go back to your bungalows, somebody else's children will be killed, somebody else's houses will be burned, somebody else's families will be distraught. Absolutely clear. And remember, viewers, the person on tape today, viewers, let me show you again. Topmost Congress leader stuck on tape. Smita, topmost Congress leader, Congress party silent.
Anurag Thakur. Kapil Mishra, what about them?
Congress party is... Oh my God. Why are you bringing them here? They are not involved in the Hathras case. Listen to me. Arnab, you are saying that the moot point is incitement. The moot point is incitement with Bihar in mind. Please don't take that away. The RJD has already said that the Hathras incident of Uttar Pradesh will change the narrative of the coming elections in Bihar. Bihar has 38 assembly seats reserved for scheduled castes, and the RJD believes that the Hathras incident is likely to sway Dalit votes in its favor. Just remember that it's not that
so
girl.
If that is the case, if that is the case, if that is the case,
and the politicians are
no, 1 minute. If that is the case, Smita, if that is the case, if that is the case, then they won't stop at this. They will probably look for another Hathras before the end of the campaigning or polling in Bihar. Anirban, you need to. That explains the timing of this.
They will not go to Rajasthan. It stands second in crime against women. They won't go to Rajasthan. They will use Uttar Pradesh, they will use Bihar, they will use anywhere, but not Rajasthan. How come those cases are not bringing about the same anger and outrage, and it's not become a pan-India case?
Who threatened the family part of the Congress? No. Was the administration who have been watching up every step of this issue, every step of this investigation? Are they part of the Congress party? No. They are under the instruction of the UP government chief minister.
No, but this man is not in the BJP. He's a top Congress leader. Sorry, I think you got your facts wrong. The man here is not a BJP leader.
Then it is the UP.
But he's not a BJP leader, Anirban. He's not a BJP leader, Anirban. He's a Congress leader.
This
does not expose the Congress leader. This exposes the Congress party itself. The Congress party rebels.
Had washed up in every step.
Anirban, listen. Anirban, you are not a Congress spokesperson. Why did you get worked up, yaar? This is done by a leader of another party. You should condemn it if you have the guts. If you have the guts, condemn it. Now the SOP of the Congress party's SOP is chaos, crisis, calamity, capital devastation and caste politics. This is the DNA, genetic making of the Congress party. Congress party will never allow peace and prosperity, especially for the Dalits. They would love to do this, split up in every society, exploit every fault line, and then try to see what they can be the case. They have lost their marbles. They are completely without any policies. They have stooped to this extent that they are exposing themselves day by day.
No, it's an old Congress tactic. I know that. Anirban, 1 minute. Anirban. Sunit Chopra, why are you shouting, Sunit? Mr. Chopra, don't shout. Mr. Chopra, don't shout. Mr. Chopra, don't shout. Mr. Chopra, don't shout. Not good.
You are talking rubbish. Kapil Mishra, Anurag Thakur, when will you have an FIR against them? I want to know.
Okay. First of all, I'm not filing FIRs. Second, can you talk about the sting operation in which the whole Hathras game has been exposed? Point I'm making to you is, and Sunit Chopra, thank you so much. Your silence is absolutely... Your silence is one of the best moments of my program tonight. My question is, Savio, my question is that...
Let's have silence.
No, you see, this is an old tactic. We are not greenhorns either. It's an old tactic. Divide, create a riot, claim to be on one side, use it politically, polarize.
After this girl was...
And I'm completely sure this is linked to the Bihar elections. I agree completely with Smita.
And she was a Dalit.
No point.
How dare you do that?
अंग्रेजी वाले अनपढ़ को
No, can you also speak in English? Nupur, it's an English program. Thank you.
Kapil Mishra's name in vain. Arnab, he's taking Kapil Mishra's name in vain. Kapil Mishra, what he said has been, his stand has been vindicated by the Honorable Supreme Court today. Even you are debating that in your third debate. थोड़ा पढ़ लिख के आते ना तो अच्छा लगता. लेकिन सारा दिमाग गोल्ड स्मगलिंग में रहता है इनका. काम तो ये जीरो करते हैं. स्मगलिंग से पैसा कमा लेते होंगे. ये वाइनिंग डाइनिंग वाला जो क्राउड है पढ़ता लिखता है नहीं. कपिल मिश्रा ने जो कहा था बोलिए ना. अनुराग ठाकुर ने जो कहा था वो सर्वोच्च
BCCI UAE से पैसा खा रही है. BCCI
Sunit, this matter is more serious. Savio, this matter is about a riot where, I repeat, a top leader of the Congress party, lest we lose the issue in the din, a top leader of the Congress party has said the party is gearing up for riots. Let's just stay focused on that. He says we are completely gearing up for riots. Now the Congress says he's speaking in an individual capacity. Are you saying he's individually planning for riots?
That is the strategy of the Congress.
There has been no.
That is the strategy of the Congress. Congress does not have issues to
According to the audio
bring
that we have
forward
just
to the
heard,
country.
its interpretation
Congress
by
does
the
not have
BJP is
issues
nothing but
to bring forward to the
and
country.
politically motivated
They have to
interpretation.
rely
Savio and Manasvi.
on the rule policy. They have to rely on the divide and rule policy. That's the problem.
The mood question is not a word came from your mouth when the DM was threatening the victims' family. You were silent on that. When 88 rape cases are reported every day, you are silent on that. You did not speak a word out of
The moot issue, Manasvi is, and 1 minute, the moot issue, Manasvi is, and on that I go back to Smita, the moot issue which I began the debate with, the moot issue, Manasvi is, and I can get a comment from Smita, that if there is a caste riot in Hathras, if that spreads across Uttar Pradesh, if it spreads across the country, the moot issue for all the viewers of the debate tonight to think about for a minute is whether they will be spared from it. The moot issue is today, if the Congress party is successful in carrying out a caste riot, will any of us be spared the consequences of it? Please.
every day in this country. The moot issue is
That is the moot issue, Smita.
But we are hell-bound to blame Congress for everything. We are blaming Congress
Look,
for everything.
the terrifying thing about this Hathras crime is beyond the murder and possible rape of a 19-year-old girl and a Dalit girl at that. Both are horrific aspects of what happened in Hathras. But more horrific than that, I don't want to compare it, but the horrific threat is that it's going to impact on all of us if this incitement for violence by various politicians, political groups, social groups who are adding fuel to fire, if they are going to be using these fissures which exist in our society as far as caste and communal lines are concerned, if these fissures are going to be exploited time and time again, it's people like us who have a voice in the media who should make sure that people like the man who was stung in an operation today and whose tape you saw.
Okay, viewers, I have to close.
Our voices that these people should be.
Okay, Kirip Chalia, calm down, viewers. I thank you for your feedback to Operation Danga. Believe me, we don't put out sting operations unless it is the last resort we have. We will expose many more. On the other side, why the CBI is looking afresh at the facts around SSR and the controversial Sudhir Gupta. More exposés on him in a few minutes.